Welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to be trying to target some halibut as well as some lingcod. And today's conditions, the wind's going to pick up sooner than usual, than when we usually go out. So we're going to try to find some bait on the way to the spot. But if not, I brought some squid. And worst case scenario, if we don't find bait, we can use some squid, drop it down for some bottom fish. But hopefully we can find some bait, because I'd rather use live bait today. Usually I don't use live bait. Usually I use like artificials, or just like I tip like a high-low rig with some squid. But I really want to get into the live bait game, especially when targeting bigger fish. We're not going to spend too much time looking for some bait, because I want to get off the water as soon as possible, because usually the wind picks up at around noon. Today the wind's already at like 5 to 7 miles an hour, and the wind's gonna pick up, I believe, heavily at 9-10. If we find bait, cool. If we don't, got to back up some jigs, some swim bait, so we can have a little fun with that. Damn, if the wind didn't pick up early today, it'd be such a beautiful day. Right now it's still in that 5 to 7 mile wind range. Hopefully we can hook up on some fish and get off the water as soon as possible. I'm marking some fish right now, but then when I drop it down, a sabiki, they don't want to take it. Yeah, I'm marking quite a bit of fish right here. The whole time from the launch all the way here, there was few marks, but right here there's quite a bit of marks. So hopefully we can hook up on some live bait. I would like to thank those at RUNCL. They sent over a fishing toolkit. They sent over some pliers, some stainless steel pliers that also have some cutters on it. We could easily remove hooks from the fish's mouth. I got it right here on my PFD, where I'm not reaching on my kayak for some pliers or whatever. I got it right on my chest. And they also sent over in that toolkit fish lip grippers, dealing with those teethy fish such as halibut, lingcod, because you don't want to be lipping them. You can get these in an orange color as well as a green. I chose orange. It's easily visible. I think if it was black, or if it was like somewhat of a blue, I'd have a little trouble trying to find it, but this is bright orange. I'm able to see it. It's right here, right by my side. This is actually some high quality stuff, better quality than the other lip fish gripper that I have. The other one was like a $2 one from like Walmart, and this one seems a little more bulky. This, I feel like I can bonk some fish with it. If you want to go get this fishing toolkit for yourself, I'll leave it in the description below. I dropped my phone. I went to pull up the pedal drive. Since we didn't find much bait, we're gonna get some fish under our belt, tie on high-low rig, one of those pre-tied rockfish rigs. I'm over a big kelp bed, and there's actually quite a bit of big kelp beds sitting at about 30 feet. Ooh, I got some. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, nice rockfish. Boom. There we go. Woo! First rockfish. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. What is that, a gopher? Yeah, gopher. Got him. gopher. Oh. There you go. Nice gopher rockfish. He'll be a taco. The wind has dramatically picked up. It is 10 o'clock. Try to get back on land safe. I'm trolling right now. I'm trolling my last piece of squid. We are going to be using the fish that we caught for some salad. Now, my favorite salad is Caesar salad. And with Caesar salad, you typically use chicken, but we're going to be substituting the chicken for the rockfish that we caught. And I'm going to be cooking the fish as usual on the stovetop with butter and whatever seasoning you want. And we are going to be using the Chubby Cheeks seasoning. First, we're going to chop up some romaine lettuce. Now we gotta season our fish. In a bowl, we're gonna dump our lettuce, Parmesan cheese, throw in some croutons, add our fish, a little bit of Caesar salad dressing, put a lid on top. Shake and bake. The fish should break up apart easily, so I wasn't too worried about breaking it up apart in the beginning, because when it's shaking it up, it's all the fish is gonna break apart. Boom! We got some fish Caesar salad. First time ever having Caesar salad with fish. Try to get a little bit of everything. Crouton, some fish. Pretty good. Well, thank you all for watching. If you want to go check out the fishing toolkit, the pliers, and the fish lip grippers, I'll leave the link in the description, and you can save 15% off with the code. All that will be in the description. And until next time, keep fishing on. Peace.